Pretty short toast.
After you will promote me also.
I'm loving the blue.
Baby, can you focus on me?
No, pretty short toast.
Okay. Hi, well, guys, I'm from the doctor, radiology to be precise. And all I have to say is, Kushigutinama must go back to school and study so that I can charge people whatever amount I want for my service. Because what do you mean for just applying gel on my feet with a couple of machines? You're gonna charge me the amount that you charge me for consultation. No wonder why doctors are rich. Because I'm not on medical aid. Cash was used. And please, you're me plum whenever I have to spend money because I'm losing money. I'm also gaining value for the money. But yo, long story short, vuli business uyenza imali or iya esikolweni uyenza imali ufunde ube dokotela. Because wow, I'm just shook. The nice thing is I don't have to carry a lot of paperwork because they'll send me the results through email. Digitalization is real. Then, yeah, that iPhone. Remember that iPhone that broke the other time? I think it's time. Oh, okay. I will almost say it's not swollen anymore. It still is a bit swollen. You can literally see the screen protruding out of. Yeah. So I think I'm just gonna go have it fixed because I found an affordable place where they can fix it. Hopefully they're not gonna break my phone. Yeah, I have plans for it. Like, today is such a gloomy day. I think Pretoria has been gloomy for such a long time now that I still love the weather, but like I feel like now the weather is affecting my mood too. Like I'm also having a gloomy mood. But yeah, I go to the second doctor and get my health in order. Yeah, let's vibe. To be driven around is something I desire now. I don't know what's wrong with it. Why does it take so long to respond? So yeah, Masambeni. Rich nigga, that nigga, he might
saying so it has to be better, especially break.
Ashe, you got that skip. Yes, that's skip. You're sharp, okay? Alright. I don't mind the cold weather, but I mind the gray, gloomy weather. Like, why is it so gloomy? It's nice and cool, but like, why is it so gloomy? What's wrong, Gayon?
I can fix it, you don't have.
Oh, okay, sharp.
You're gonna take after. You will promote me also.
Okay. Okay. It looks as good as you. Okay.
And it doesn't feel like it's fixed. Change the complete part. This is the whole battery. You can feel it swells.
Oh, okay. Right. And the phone looks almost as good as new. Like, I'm so happy with it. And the battery health is kind of good now. It's like on. Okay, I first need to update it. I don't know if you can see. But yeah, I need to update it. And then the battery, I was told it should be around 86% minimum. And then yeah, it could be up to 100, but 86 should be the minimum. But I'm happy. As long as I can take calls, use able services like your iMessages and stuff, I'm good. And take pictures here and there. I'm good. I'm loving the blue. It's matching with the car. and it's matching with my purse. Let me show you. I'm just so happy. Boy, I'm quite scary.
How are you? I'm good, thank you. Here to see you. Okay.
Alright, so you stop. Saying you're gonna look directly into the camera. You're gonna say, actually, when I say 3, 2, 1, action, you just perform. The nice thing about this is that if you make a mistake, it's perfectly fine. Cut it, we'll go again. We'll keep going until we get it right. Okay? So be yourself, enjoy, just have some fun. No, just do you.
Home and then oh god, because yeah.
Oh, Emma. No, it's so good. It's so good.
But it was a beautiful interview. Like I was nervous, yes, but like it was beautiful. Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. So the information we get from my I can't wait to work with them. Like I can't wait. Like you are looking at South Africa's next top model. Hello. Alright, so I am back njengomxolo, and the state of my place sana scary. But yeah, this is what a superstar's room looks like when they're getting ready. So yeah, I am so tired. I just want to nap. That's the only thing I want to do right now. And you're probably wondering why I'm vlogging with an iPad. Breaking news. Wah, wah, wah. My phone broke. Like it just stopped working. And I say to them, like, no, I want an exchange. They were like, nah, we're gonna book your phone in for like the next 7 days. So and by the way, my inspo for becoming a model is Bona. You see how she presents herself, carries herself, darling. That's my inspiration. But yeah, man, it was a wholesome day, and I'm happy. Like I've been wanting to be a model, and to get that yes. Okay, yeah, they kind of sent me a contract, so yeah, to get that yes is kind of like, darling, like all you need is just one yes, and all those no's don't matter. They don't matter. But cheers, guys. Let me nap, wake up, edit. Angazi, I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog. But y'all, thanks for tuning in. Nithanda Nyan Nyan. Girl, what are you doing? I hope you are also like chasing your dreams out there. You know that song, you fetch your life, go and be alive. Ain't nobody living at ya, be someone who's living. So guys, go and chase your dreams, fetch your lives. It's not gonna be easy, but it's a beautiful feeling when you finally get that yes you've been looking for. Like thanks for tuning in, guys. Thanks for tuning in. For the sake of the channel, we're gonna call him Big T. Big T, a big shout out to you, okay? Like, Big T, you're a gem. A gem, I tell you. You really made this interview thing effortless. Even though, like, I was really nervous, shame. I was very effort. Oh, God. Mas pumenguleyo. But thank you for tuning in, guys. Mwah.